Is it time for you to get up and go? Sharon Hornellstrom here, and I believe that our ability to handle change or challenges that come our way is critical for our success, meaning get what we want in our life and the quality of life that we lead. Now more than ever, we have to remember that you and I are in control. Nobody knows what's right for us except us. We have to declare that we're a person that gets what we want. I get what I want. Do you get what you want? Maybe you felt over the past year, since COVID and the chaos has been impacting all of us on the planet, that it's been harder or more challenging to get the things that you want or to create the things that you want in your life. Many of us were cast out from our jobs, from our occupations, or sent home to work from home. And all of the changes and challenges with that, as much as we wished and hope that they'd be ending with 2021, it apparently is not going to happen. And some of the changes, many of the changes that have come down the pipe in your area and in mine, it's a little bit different for all of us, are here to stay. Masks, even with vaccines, apparently are not going away. Vaccines, everybody isn't going to get them, I don't think. I don't know. We don't know. And I think part of the biggest challenge with this whole coronavirus and COVID-19 is the unknown. We like certainty. Human beings, at least I, like certainty. But what if, with just a few small tweaks and a little bit of time every day through a free challenge, you could get the skills, you could get the abilities to put change and decision making on autopilot, ensuring and guaranteeing that you would have the better results after any change or challenge you face, not just COVID-19, but anything that comes down and you have to face going forward. What if you could do that? Would it be worth a couple of minutes a day to do that? Are you the type of person that says, yeah, I am willing to spend a few minutes a day and do an action item, a tiny, teeny little step or action item every day to reinforce the learning and get the results that I want? Well, Sandy, one of our participants in the August Get Up and Go Challenge, this is actually the 7th, starting April 1st is the 7th Get Up and Go Challenge that we're doing. It's a 30-plus day free challenge to guarantee that you have better results dealing with change and challenges after the challenge than before in any area or aspect of your life, whether it's physical, mental, emotional, spiritual, financial, relationships, or contribution, any of the main areas of your life that could be causing you difficulty and challenges. We have a framework that you learn, and then we share tools that you apply and try and figure out what works best for you in order to guarantee that you get the results that you want during the challenge and going forward for the rest of your life, because we install it easily and effortlessly into your subconscious, and then it becomes your own. You can use it all the time, and you'll be like me, you start using it on autopilot. Well, Sandy joined our challenge in last August, and she was one of the people that had been displaced from work. She was working from home, also homeschooling her kids. She thought they'd be going back to school in August, but they weren't. They were doing a hybrid schooling situation, and her husband had lost his job and gotten laid off and furloughed or whatever in April. And so he'd been looking, but he hadn't found anything to replace his income. So he was stressing out and freaking out, which was putting a strain on their relationship. So she joined our August challenge and spent a few minutes every day. I guess I could find her quote and put it in her own words. Let me see. She said, after spending a few minutes a day on the challenge call and doing the daily action items, I found myself automatically dealing with changing situations in a positive way that left me feeling better. It improved her relationship with her husband, her relationship with her kids, her relationship with herself, and her ability to get things done just by automatically handling the day-to-day things that come up, not to mention the bigger issues that come up due to outside influences of the world on a much better, more automatic way. Better for her. Better for is always determined by for us. We want results that improve the situation for us, not other people, right? So if you're thinking about and wondering if you could be getting better results in your life right now by making a few little tweaks and changes, I want to invite you to join us on the next and probably the last free 30 plus day Get Up and Go Challenge starting April 1st, right here on the Get Up and Go Challenge page on Facebook. We also have a private group that you can join where we have deeper discussions. You can meet Sandy, you can meet the other people that have been participating that choose to share their responses and answers in that group. I just want you to know that there is help out there and that we don't have to feel like we have to figure everything out ourselves. I don't know. I spent a lot of years of my life figuring stuff out, powering through, just struggling and figuring out. And then I realized that any problem, any situation, any challenge that I have faced or am currently facing or will face in the future, there's a whole lot of people that have already been there and done that. Why would I not want to learn from them? And beyond that, why would I not want to quickly and easily have a process that guarantees that I'm going to do the things and go through the steps, which are really simple, to automatically get the best results for me in any given change or challenge or situation. So I want to say thanks for listening. I hope to see you, and I'm planning on seeing you on Thursday, April 1st, right here. Have an awesome day. Take care. Bye. Get up and go.